Did you know that about 50% of adults have experienced bad breath at some point? Crazy, right? Have you ever been in a situation where you felt self-conscious about your breath? Maybe you hesitated to speak up in a conversation or leaned back a bit too far to avoid that awkward moment. Trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of bad breath, or halitosis as it's scientifically known. It's something that affects so many people, yet it can be a bit of a taboo subject. Bad breath can seriously impact your social life, making you feel embarrassed or anxious during interactions. But don't worry. We're going to tackle this issue head-on and find out how to kick bad breath to the curb. So, what causes bad breath? There are several culprits that can lead to this embarrassing problem. Alright, let's get into some practical tips to keep your breath fresh. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.